Alright, what's up guys? So we got a few fireworks tonight. Here's a mine first. Where's the fuse? There it is.
Nice.
Titanium sparkler. Alright, here's a crackling rocket. Homemade rocket. That one way over there. Took some trees out of that, or branches out of that tree. That one way over there. Alright, here is a small salute one. Hopefully this doesn't go away.
Wow, that was fast.
And that went way over there. Alright, here's a 1-inch mortar. Actually, I'm gonna skip the 1-inch mortar. Let's go up to the big one. Alright, titanium sparkler. Here we go. Oh boy. Go, go, go. Yes! There you go.